Hi guys, Kirk here with the World Monster Truck Alliance. We're in Los Angeles for a very fast course tonight. We've already had qualifying. I'll go ahead and set the bracket for you. Our top qualifier was Airborne Ranger. Airborne Ranger is Sinker Jones. He'll draw the slowest qualifier. That was Obsession. Obsession is Monster Jam 626. The 8th qualifier was Destroyer. Destroyer is Mario Minecraft, and his opponent will be Obsessed, which is Monster Blues. The 5th qualifier was the Patriot. The Patriot is Dave 609. He gets the blue Bounty Hunter. That is Monster Jam 5155. Our 4th qualifier was the Felon. That's Stone Cold 4215. He gets Dragon Slayer. Dragon Slayer is Paul Costantini. 3rd qualifier was Livewire. Livewire is MJ Fan Guardian. And Desperado is Project Rod. The next matchup will be Shocker. Shocker is Mega Monster Jam 907A, your defending points champ and current points leader. He gets Iron Outlaw. Iron Outlaw is everything with Adam. Then we've got Tropical Thunder was the 7th qualifier. That's Fango and his Team XD. He'll get Survivor. Survivor is the Cameron 9875. Our 2nd quick qualifier was M2D Camo Thunder. That is Low Scots 915. And he'll draw Time Flies. Time Flies is I like tacos, cats, and cars. So that's our bracket. We're ready for our first round of racing here in Los Angeles. Very simple course. They'll go down from the C-clamps. Have to hit the ramp to be a legal run. Anything that happens after they hit the ramp is a legal run. And already our first rerun of the night. Obsession not able to clear the ramp. So let's switch lanes. And this time, legal run for both trucks, but our quick qualifier goes out as Obsession pulls off that upset. Alright, ready for Obsessed and Destroyer. And this time it is Obsessed with the win. The 8th seed goes on, so it'll be Obsession and Obsessed in the next round. The Patriot. And the blue Bounty Hunter. Big run for the Patriot. The Felon, Dragon Slayer. Dragon Slayer with that win. Livewire and Desperado. Desperado picking up the win. Big upset for Desperado. Takes up the number 3 qualifier. Shocker and Iron Outlaw. Shocker smashes his way to a victory. Tropical Thunder and Survivor. Survivor with that win. And M2D Camo Thunder versus Time Flies. Problems on that one for M2D Camo Thunder. They'll get to re-race. Switching lanes. Another problem. That's what happened. Alright, so we'll fix the course again up at the top and set for another re-race, switching lanes. Again, it's M2D Camo Thunder and Time Flies. 3rd time to charm as M2D Camo Thunder gets that win. move to the second round. It's Obsession and Obsessed. And Obsessed in the left lane with the win. Dragon Slayer and the Patriot. The Patriot picking up the W. Desperado and Shocker. Looks like Desperado with the win. Desperado just barely pulls up the W. Very close race. And our last matchup of the round is M2D Camo Thunder, your second quick qualifier, and Survivor. M2D Camo Thunder comes from behind to pick up the win. Down to our final four. It is Obsessed and the Patriots. And this time it is Obsessed with the W. Obsessed goes on. So Obsessed will go to our finals. That is, again, a big win for Monster Blues. M2D Camo Thunder and Desperado, who will face him. Looks like Desperado with a big win. So here we are, the finals in Los Angeles. One of the crown jewel events of the circuit. It's Obsessed, Monster Blues, going up against Desperado, Project Rod Rod. And Obsessed with a flip and a win. Or no, Desperado, sorry, with the flip and the win. Desperado, Project Rod Rod, taking the W. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next event.